Hi Diego, I hope you're good. Here are some comments and some stuff I'd like to give you some information. First of all, thank you very much for your work. It's very well done. I like the poster very much. Okay, here are my first comments. In the Dropbox, we have all these files here. This is the file of the poster. These are all the pictures and images, and this one I haven't opened it yet, but it's another Indesign file, maybe a test that you did. So first thing is usually we put all the images into a different folder. So I'll just make it one here. It's usually called links, but it can be called anything, and I will drag them in there. So all of them will be dragged here, and this also is going to be dragged in there. So it's cleaner like that, and it's going to be easier to make modification later. So now that everything is in there, if we open the document, you will see here in the links section all the images that are on the document are with a question mark. That means that the software cannot find them back, which is normal. We just change the directory. So and you can see where it's looking for. So it's obviously not looking for the correct place. So to make them to change this or to correct this, just take any one of those, right click on it and say re-edit the link, and just basically find it back where it is in the computer, or when in our file, which is I can't remember. Yeah, probably this one here. Yeah, and here, and this one is pararte here. It's going to say to the computer where the file is, and because every file are in the same folder, you'll see that all the images are linked correctly again. So that's one thing. Another thing is, well, just as a comment here, the website, it's correct, but the character here, it's not the right one. So what I did is I put, as an exercise, I put the correct logo in the folder. So I will do this again, re-edit the link, but now I want to change it. So that's the one you did, and you see here, and that's the correct one. So I'm selecting it and see how it's now it's changed. It's probably not at the correct position, so I'm just gonna make some adjustment here. I will decrease the size, so because this is linked together, I can say go for 50%, go for 75%. Again, I will put it where it is supposed to go, and yeah, I can do differently also. I can, it's probably almost good. I'm using lots of shortcuts. You'll see if you want to get better and better to that, shortcuts are really useful. So the shortcuts I'm using is Control Alt C, which is Control Alt C. I can't remember what it is. All right, so it's adjust the image to the box. So that's something that I use a lot. And Control Alt E, which is adjust the box to the content. And then also adjust. So basically all of these you should find what's the function is, just as a test and everything. So alright, and then last thing is about the graphic quality. So now it's normal that it looks a little bit fuzzy, because InDesign, is doing only preview of the images, so we can play with huge images and not playing with huge files. So probably all of the stuff that you created are quite big, and now InDesign is helping us to with smaller pictures. And so at the end, what we should always do is export. So to export, you can export to any format you want, but to go to the printer, it's normally a PDF, so it gives 100% quality. And I'm gonna export as a poster. So let's do that. I did a test this morning. So you get a window here that I will later on also give you some comments on it. But if you export this specific page, which there's only one page in the document, and you go like that, you will have the final document at the end, which is going to be a PDF, which is going to be the document you will be used that would be used for sending a document. Just a small thing I'd like you to change. Oops. Small thing I'd like you to. Oh yeah. So that's the sorry. That's the final document. So see how it's cleaner and it's almost perfect. So and all of this is really good. So yeah. So that's the final version. So one last thing I'd like you to change in the image is here. It's supposed to be 01 and not 10 to be written in the shirt. So just a small change to go, and that's a really good job. All right, thank you.